Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Heather. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start out with doing my hair. I take a shower the night before, I brush it out, and then I'm going to twist it up into a knot on top of my head, and then I'm going to tuck the ends inside of the knot, and it will sit like that for the rest of the night, even while I sleep. When I wake up the next day, I take it out and I just spray a little bit of hairspray and I will have curls. Or if I choose to do this the next day instead, I can put it up just like this and it will stay like that for the rest of the day, and I will have a nice cute little bun with no hair ties or anything involved. Okay, now we are going to move on to the makeup, and this is the next day. We are starting out with W-AIRFIT Pore Primer from W.Lab. I will link that down below. So I also want to mention really quick, I am not sponsored doing this video by anybody. All the products that I am using, I have either bought myself or was gifted to me from family and friends. But if you know me, I love makeup and I love hair. So. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair and cover up some blemishes, and then move on to foundation. For foundation, I am using IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation plus Skincare Light Warm 23, and I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics brush from Ulta. It is the AIRBRUSH Flawless Complexion number 132 to buff that into my skin. Now for concealer, I will be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in the color Light. And then I will be using the IT Cosmetics Airbrush Flawless Complexion number 132 again. But this time we're going to use the other end, which is the precision end, to buff out underneath the eyes, on my nose, under my chin, and my forehead. And a little bit on the eyelids. I know, we look a little crazy, but don't worry, this will be fixed soon. We're just going to buff this out a little bit more, and then we're going to go in with the Beauty Blender. Now I am going in with the damp Beauty Blender from Real Techniques, and I'm just going over where the concealer was just to give it a nice finish. Okay, and so while I'm at it, I am going to go a little bit around my mouth just to lighten that up a little bit. I'm not adding any more concealer, just taking what I have on my Beauty Blender. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent. It is extra coverage. I'm just going to put that on my damp Beauty Blender and go over where I put the concealer. Using my kabuki brush, I am using very little powder to dust on my face, not using any pressure at all. Now I'm going to go in with Maybelline Master Contour Face Contouring Kit It has a contour, a blush, and a highlighter, and I will be using the Real Technique sculpting brush to go in with the contour just to get my cheekbones and go around my face to give a little bit of contour and a little bit on my nose. So if you're wondering why I'm making a fishy face, it's because I learned a long time ago if you were to do this, you actually bring more of your cheekbones out. So give that a try and see what that does for you. Also, do you notice the wind in my hair? I had to turn the fan on. I was dying. So I'm going to go in with my beauty blender just with a little bit of powder on my nose just to kind of fade out where I put the contour. And then I'm going to go back in and put some more contour on my face. Going in now with Benefit HOOLA bronzer, I'm just going to use this to warm up my face. Also, for your information, I got this for free last year on my birthday. So if you are not a member of Ulta, go sign up for it. It is free, and you will get a free prize on your birthday. And how that works is they will send you an email with a code. You take it to the store, have them scan it, and voila, you got your prize. Last year, I got the Benefit HOOLA bronzer, and this year I got a Lancome moisturizer. So really, who doesn't love free makeup? Go get it. Going in with the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice eyeshadow palette, I will be starting out with the shade Whipped Cream. It is like a light pinkish color. I'm just going to place that on my eyelid with my finger so that when I go in with the other shadows, they will blend nicely. Going in with the shade Sweetie Pie, I'm going to pick up some of the eyeshadow with my EcoTools Blend and Smudge Duo brush. We're going to use the blend side to start blending it out on the outer corner of my eyelid. Keep blending it out so that it's not harsh, and add a little flick upwards at the end to keep the look lifted. Going in with the shade A La Mode, using a different fluffy brush, we are going to blend the edges of Sweetie Pie to get rid of any harsh lines. And the key to this is blend, blend, blend. And don't forget to add that little flick at the end to keep the eye look lifted. Going in with Cocoa Drizzle using my EcoTools Duo brush, using this smudge end, we're going to pick up the eyeshadow and place it close to the lash line on the outer corner and smudge it out to give it a smoky look. Using my blending brush again, I am smoking out my bottom lash line with Sweetie Pie and bringing it up to connect with the rest of my eyeshadow. And again, giving it a flick upwards to keep the look lifted. Then using my smudge brush with Cocoa Drizzle, we're going to lightly dab the eyeshadow close to the bottom lash line and blend it out again with my blending brush using no more product. Using Got To Be Spiking Wax to help shape my eyebrows, and then going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. I am doing this off camera as I needed to look in my mirror to do them. If you would like for me to do a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, hit the like button and comment down below and I will definitely do that for you. Hey, baby. How you doing? Going back in with the Maybelline Contour Kit, we're going to pick up the blush on my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush and dab that onto my cheekbones, blending it into the contour, and a little on my nose and forehead to give that sun-kissed look. To set my face, I am using Urban Decay All Nighter. So good. Keep spraying. Surprise, surprise, we're going back in with Maybelline Contour Kit. I'm picking up the highlighter with my ring finger and gently swiping it onto my cheekbones and rounding it up. Then on my nose, upper lip, and eyebrow bones. Going in with my eyelash curlers, I'm curling my eyelashes, and then using the Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara, coating my top and bottom lashes. I will be doing my eyelashes and eyeliner off camera. I am using blinking BEAUTE lashes called Genius and VELOUR lash adhesive. I used gel eyeliner for my waterline and a classic felt tip liner for my wing liner. Both are from Ulta. For my lips, I also did this off camera. I used Kylie Jenner's liquid lipstick and lip liner duo in Bare. And that is the finished look. Let's move on to hair. To finish off my hair, I'm going to take it out of its bun. It is a little damp from the night before, but that's okay. I'm going to use Beach Babe Soft Waves, sea salt spray, and lightly spray my hair and fluff it out a little. And that completes the look. And that is it with how I created this look. I will put things down in the description bar to explain what I used, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a blessed day, and I love you. Thank you for watching.